gonna take the air, squeeze it a little bit. There you have it. So taking the air out, we're gonna grease this part right here. Squeeze it. So you see, when you see the grease out, that means everything is good. We're gonna remove it from here now. I'm going to the other side of the go-kart. There you go. So we're gonna clean it and go to the other side. So here's the other side of the go-kart suspension. So see, we're gonna put it over here and grease it again. So make sure everything is greased, protected, so we can use it, have a better suspension ride quality. See, when you see it's coming out like that way, it means it's all done. So we have grease on it. That's so good. And there you have it, guys. So we're gonna clean this. I think that's it, guys. That's for today's video. We greased the front suspension a little bit with a heavy duty grease, so stay tuned for more. So when I was greasing the front suspension, I noticed that like some bolts, they were loose, like these ones here. So let's go tighten up a little bit. Maybe this starting losing a little bit because the vibration of this go-kart, maybe. So we have to check it out, like maybe like every month or so, to make sure everything is running perfect. See, I think it's for the vibration of the go-kart, because I was checking it out when I bought it, everything was tight. So I believe it's for the vibration. It's no big deal, you have to just check it out once in a while. Okay guys, that's for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments.